Are your daily money moves quietly keeping you broke? Fix them fast. I'm talking about those small, almost invisible habits that feel harmless, but are secretly draining your bank account every single day. You work hard, you earn your money, but at the end of the month it feels like you're right back where you started with nothing to show for it. It's a frustrating cycle. It feels impossible to break, but what if you could break it, starting today, with just a few simple changes? It's not about $1 million overnight. It's about plugging the leaks sinking your financial ship. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate playbook to stop this cycle for good. We're going to break down the 10 guilty habits that are keeping you broke. 10 habits. 10 fixes. Now. I'm giving you a practical, super easy swap for each one. You can start the second this video ends. No complicated theories, no boring lectures, just fast, actionable steps to take back control of your money. This isn't about feeling bad for past mistakes, it's about getting fired up to build a better future. The first habit we're destroying is living paycheck to paycheck. This is the ultimate financial trap. It's when your entire salary comes in and before you know it, it's all gone to bills and expenses, leaving you with zero until the next payday. It feels like you're running on a treadmill you can't get off. One unexpected car repair, one medical bill. The whole system collapses into chaos and debt. You're one small emergency from a major crisis. This isn't living, it's surviving. The stress this causes is insane. You can't think about the future. You can't plan for big goals. All your mental energy is spent trying to make it to Friday. It kills your dreams and keeps you stuck in a loop of anxiety. But today, we're installing an escape hatch. One simple, powerful move. Less than 5 minutes to set up. Seriously, that's all it takes to start changing everything. Your first mission, non-negotiable. Log into your bank account right now. Find automatic transfers. Set up a recurring transfer from checking to savings. Schedule it for the exact day you get paid. Pay yourself first, before you can miss or spend it. Start small. Don't overthink the amount. Automate just $25. That's it, 25 bucks. Transfer $25 every payday this month. This creates a tiny safety net that will grow. The first step out of the trap. Pause the video if you need to. Open the app and do it. Set up that automatic transfer. Done. You've completed challenge 1. You've started building a buffer against financial disaster. It might feel small, but this is the most important step. Let's move on to the next one. Next up, we're tackling the silent killer of budgets. Impulse buying. You know what I'm talking about. You're scrolling online. You see a cool gadget. You're at the checkout line. That candy bar is just calling your name. Quick dopamine purchases. Tiny pleasure. Permanent wallet hit. It feels good for a second, but the regret lasts way longer. Let's put this in perspective. That daily $5 fancy coffee, that's over $1,800 a year. That it's on sale shirt for $30 you didn't really need. If you do that just once a week, that's over $1,500 a year. These small, mindless purchases add up to thousands that could have been your emergency fund, your vacation, or your first investment. It's like having a hole in your pocket that you keep forgetting to patch up. So, here's how we fix it. Your next mission is to implement a simple, foolproof rule. It's called the 48-hour rule. The next time you feel that urge to buy something that isn't an absolute necessity, you stop. You don't buy it. Instead, you add it to a wish list on your phone or in a notebook, and you force yourself to wait 48 hours. No exceptions. This waiting period does something magical. It lets the dopamine rush fade away and allows your logical brain to take over. After 2 days, you can look at that item again and ask yourself, do I really need this? Or did I just want it in that moment? Alright, habit number 3, flying blind with your finances, no budget and not tracking your spending. Imagine trying to fly a plane without any instruments, how high you are, how fast you're going, or how much fuel you have left. That's what you're doing with your money when you don't have a budget. You have no control because you have no information. Money just disappears, and you have no idea where it went. This lack of control is terrifying. It's the reason you get to the end of the month and think, where did all my money go? It went to hundreds of tiny, untracked decisions. A budget isn't a financial prison, it's your GPS. It tells you where your money is going and empowers you to direct it where you want it to go. It's the ultimate tool for taking back control and making your money work for you, not against you. There are tons of complicated budgeting methods out there, but we're going to ignore them. We're starting with the simplest possible step. You can use a simple app like Mint or YNAB or even just the Notes app on your phone. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's just to start seeing the data. We're going on a fact-finding mission to uncover your spending truths. Here is your third challenge. For the next 7 days, track every dollar, every coffee, every subscription, every grocery run, every online purchase, everything. Write it down or type it. Don't judge it, just track it. At week's end, add it up, screenshot your results, and look at where your money is actually going. This is your financial truth. Seeing the raw numbers is powerful motivation. This is the data you need to win. Let's talk about the sneakiest habit of them all, relying on credit cards to fund your lifestyle. This is when your income can't quite cover the life you want, so you use credit to fill the gap. A slightly nicer car, the latest phone, trendier clothes, dinners out you can't really afford. It feels like you're getting away with it, but you're not. You're just borrowing from your future self, and you're paying a massive fee to do it. That fee is called interest, and it's a trap designed to keep you paying forever. Credit card companies are experts at this. They make it so easy to swipe now and worry later, but later always comes with interest charges that can double or even triple the cost. This is lifestyle inflation. Funded by debt, it's a one-way ticket to being permanently broke. Break the dependency. Live within your means, not your credit limit. This doesn't mean you can never have nice things. Plan, save, and buy with cash you actually have. Buying with saved cash feels better than credit anxiety. Challenge 4. Identify one purchase you were going to finance, a gadget, furniture, or a weekend trip. Create a cash down plan. Figure the total, divide by months, and save that amount. Immediate mission. Comb credit statements for one recurring habit to cut. Daily Uber versus bus, weekly delivery, a subscription. Cut it. Shift from buy now, pay later to save now, buy later. It's a massive power move. Habit 5 is one of the most dangerous of all, having no emergency fund. An emergency fund is not a maybe or a nice to have. It is your financial fire extinguisher. This next habit is a mistake that can literally cost you millions over your lifetime. I'm not exaggerating, it's the habit of not investing, especially when you're young. So many people think, I don't have enough to invest, or I'll start when I'm older and make more. This is one of the biggest financial lies you can tell yourself. The most powerful tool isn't how much you invest, it's how much time you give your money to grow. The eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. It's basically your money-making babies. When you invest, your money earns a return. Next year you earn on the original and on the return you just made. It creates a snowball effect that grows into an avalanche of wealth. The earlier you start, the more time compounds, and the less work you have to do. If you invest just $100 a month starting at age 25, you could have over $500,000 by retirement. Wait until 35, and you'll need almost double monthly to match it. Time is your most valuable asset, and you're wasting it every day you're not invested. Chapter 7. Okay, let's talk about debt, specifically the habit of only paying the minimum payment required on your credit cards loans. The banks love when you do this. They designed the system this way, making only the minimum is like bailing a sinking boat with a teaspoon. You're working, but you're getting nowhere and getting more tired. Here's the brutal truth. Almost all of your payment goes toward interest, not the principal. Your balance barely goes down. 10 years, 20 years, even 30 years. Paying back 3 times, paying back 4 times. It's a prison, and the minimum payment is the lock. 2 strategies to get out faster. Snowball, smallest debts first for wins. Avalanche, highest interest first to save money, both work. Mission, find your highest APR and pay $20 extra this month. It proves you can go beyond minimums and every extra dollar stops future interest. Do it again next month. This is how you start your escape. Dancer Chapter 8. Habit 8 isn't about spreadsheets or interest rates. It's about your mindset. It's the habit of constantly comparing your financial life to others. Friend on a lavish vacation in Italy, coworker in a brand new car, neighbor's new kitchen. That little voice. Why not me? I should have that too. This is the comparison trap. Social media is its fuel. It creates fear of missing out, powerful and expensive. You make money choices to keep up with a filtered life. This is a game you can never win. The financial cost is obvious. The mental cost is worse. Resentment, anxiety, inadequacy. You feel poor even if you're not. fake standards. Run your own race. Your 8th mission: build a wall against comparison. Identify accounts that trigger envy. You don't have to unfriend, use mute for 30 days. Unfollow endless consumerism. Follow your goals. Building, learning, getting out of debt. Mute the noise. Hear your own voice. Make your plan about your life. Chapter 9. This next habit is death by 1,000 cuts. It's ignoring little recurring subscriptions that quietly drain you monthly. That streaming service for one show, that free trial you forgot to cancel, that gym membership you haven't used. Silent money leeches. Each seems small. $9.99, $14.99. Not a big deal, right? Add them up. 50, 100, or more every month on things you don't use. That's over 1,000 a year vanishing. They're designed to be forgotten. Easy to sign up, hard to quit. We're fighting back with a subscription audit. Here's your 9th challenge. Do it right now. Pause the video. Write down every recurring subscription from last month and its cost. Find one, just one, you don't use or value. Your mission is to cancel it, not tomorrow. Cancel it right now. Log in and hit cancel. 2 minutes, instant raise. It feels amazing. Go do it. Chapter 10. We've made it to the final and perhaps most important habit to break: avoiding financial education. Thinking money is too complicated, too boring, or too stressful to learn about, so you just don't. You ignore it, hoping it will sort itself out. But ignorance isn't bliss. It's expensive. Avoiding the topic perpetuates the other bad habits. If you don't understand budgeting, debt investing, you're easily taken advantage of. You fall for bad deals, pay high fees, make emotional money decisions. You stay stuck because you don't know the rules of the game. Personal finance isn't rocket science. You don't need a degree. You need to be willing to learn. Knowledge is financial power. The more you learn, the more confident you become. The more confident you are, the better your decisions. It's a positive feedback loop. Take the first step and commit to learning a little at a time. Final challenge: stop avoiding and start learning. Find one bite-sized source this week: a 20-minute podcast, one library book, or a YouTube basics playlist. Commit to just 15 minutes. Schedule it like an appointment. Continuous learning pays you back more than any other investment. Outro. We just went through 10 habits and 10 challenges. You did it. The hardest part is starting, and by watching this, you've already taken a massive step. Remember, you don't have to fix everything overnight. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress.